In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable personal hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using iPhone 12 Pro Max and you have your personal hotspot turned on just like this, now you want to turn off the personal hotspot, then this is going to stop others from connecting to your hotspot on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here is a quick video for you. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to disable or turn off personal hotspot on your iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone settings just like this. On the settings page, click on mobile service or cellular data. This depends on your location. So if you're saying cellular data instead of mobile service, go ahead and click on that, or cellular service, select that. And then here, just turn off your mobile data. This is going to automatically disable the personal hotspot. You see that? However, if you want your mobile data to remain active on your device, just locate personal hotspot here and then tap allow others to join this, and this is going to disable personal hotspot on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then again, now go back to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate personal hotspot, tap that, then disable allow others to join. So once this is disabled, this is going to turn off the personal hotspot on your iPhone. Last but not the least, if you want to disable personal hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max from Control Center, just scroll down like this. Now on the Control Center, you want to locate the personal hotspot button and tap on it. That's for iOS 17. However, if you're using iOS 18, just locate the connectivity tab just like this. Click on it and then locate personal hotspot and make sure you tap on it once. Once tap on it once, this is going to disable the personal hotspot on your iPhone, and this is going to turn off the personal hotspot completely here as well. So no other device will be able to connect to your iPhone personal hotspot again. So this is how you can easily turn off personal hotspot on iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.